Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 29. This skill is about the core methodologies consultants use to solve problems. Your goal is to take a messy, ambiguous business problem and turn it into a clear, solvable project. The two core methods you need to master are issue-based and hypothesis-based problem solving. Using these frameworks is the key to building your confidence and establishing credibility with your clients. Method 1 is issue-based problem solving. Think of this as the explorer. Use this when the problem is vague, like profits are down, and you don't know why. Your tool is the issue tree. You break the big problem down into smaller parts. The rule is MECE, make sure your branches cover everything without overlapping. This gives you a clear map of what to investigate. Method 2 is hypothesis-based problem solving. Think of this as the tester. Use this when you have a strong hunch about the answer. Instead of exploring everything, you state the answer first. I believe profits are down because of shipping costs. Then, you only gather the data needed to prove or disprove that specific statement. It's a much faster way to work. For your portfolio, use this STARR structure. Situation: the client had low user retention but didn't know why. Task: I needed to diagnose the root cause. Action: I demonstrated K29. I used an issue-based approach to map out all potential causes. Once the data pointed to onboarding, I switched to a hypothesis-based approach to quickly test a specific improvement to the tutorial. Result: retention improved by 15%. Reflection: I learned that structured thinking builds client trust. If you are doing your major project, you need a methodology section. Don't just do the work, explain how you structured your thinking. Explicitly state whether you used an issue-based or hypothesis-based approach. Include a diagram of your issue tree or write down your core hypothesis. This proves to the assessor that you are not just guessing, but following a professional consulting process. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.